Hi, welcome to my channel and welcome to my studio. This is the aftermath after recording a reel for my advent calendar challenge. It's so messy, but I will fix it. I will clean it up later. We are already halfway through the advent calendar challenge and I wanted to show you a little bit of what we did. Days 1, 2, 3 was actually to make the journal. We made the cover first, then we added the signatures, and then we embellished the journal. I used paper fasteners to add the signatures. It makes it so easy to do. I had these tablecloth scraps and then I added some embroidery. I had some dried flowers. They are daisy family, I think. For the closure, I used some jewelry supplies. I think those are called ribbon clasps. For the inside, I did some paper mache with tissue paper. I created 4 signatures because I will be using one signature for each season. I use all type of papers, from textbooks, coloring pages, old notebooks, craft paper. You can make it as neat as you want, but I like the way it looks, like very organic, since it's a nature junk journal. The journal is gonna get thick, so you have to leave a lot of space. So now I will show you some of the things we have created during this challenge. We created some handmade paper. It's really rough because I did it without a blender, but I still like it like that. We created some photo, which is just painted pages, which are great for collaging. We created some organic dye, which we used cauliflower, which is the best one because it's like blue or purple depending on what you use, and some avocado tree leaves and coffee. We also experimented with some found objects as stamps. I used packaging things, wrapping things, some toys, bottles, or anything I could really find. After that, we created some master boards, which are just a big collage that you can use for journaling cards or whatever else you want. They serve basically as backgrounds or patterns. Then we started with the fun stuff, magazine harvesting. I used some catalogs, magazine, textbooks, images, or everything I could find related to nature. I used those cutouts to make my own roll, a sticker roll. We also made some frames or borders. I used an old Polaroid that didn't went well, and I cut out the picture and then I embroidered. I used collage techniques as well. Now this is a fun thing I did. I used the pressed leaves I had and I made them into beads or supplies to use in my journals or embellishment. And the craft of the day was to create some bookmarks. I used some of the cardboard left from the cover and some pressed flowers. Remember, you can watch all these tutorials in shorts. Or you can follow me on Instagram. It's cozyjournalers.prints. It's a different name from my YouTube channel because I wanted to make the YouTube channel more personal. Hi, it's Jasmine. If you like journaling, recycling, and nature, I would love for you to subscribe to see more of it. If you want to participate in the challenge, the links are below. Thanks for watching.